Hello guys, today we are going to unbox and review this Dewalt DWE7492. So it comes with a 3-year warranty. That's maybe the reason why it is a little bit pricey. So let's see what's inside these small boxes. So we have a wrench for saw replacement. And we have here the MITRE guide. This is the MITRE guide. Okay. The scales are clear and large enough to read. It has an airlock compatible dust extraction connection. The topmost highlight of this Dewalt table saw is the rack and pinion mechanism, because having a good bench is vital in getting accurate cuts. One thing I don't like is this manual, because the diagram and procedures and name of parts are in different pages. So it's not user-friendly for me, because it would be better if the diagram and procedures are in the same page. It is easy to adjust the MITRE guide, and you can bring it away or closer to the blade easily, just like that. The selling point of this model Dewalt Table Saw is this fence. Once locked, it has no play at all. Very stable. But the MITRE guide has a little play, so I think it's not that accurate. The switch is designed so that you can use other part of your body aside from your hand to switch off the unit, like your knees, and it cannot be switched on by accident. The pros and cons are my own personal opinion. In conclusion, this is still a good buy. Right? Thank you so much for watching.